Got my new shirts in today. This is the right arm of the shirt. This is also the right arm of the shirt. And there's, well, you know, the back. And there's the front. I got short sleeve and long sleeve. Looking pretty good, cuz my cousin did those for me. And then today, I've been cooking this old bird, this old rooster. He's been in that fight since 10 o'clock this morning, and it's 2:30. So yeah, he should be good and tender by the time it's time to eat. But yeah, let's go see if them dang old birds are ready to come up. And yeah, it's dark in here because it's hot outside. Oh, yep, I hear them already screaming. There ain't no reason to scream at me. Why y'all gotta be so violent? They're just violent individuals. Quit quacking at me, quacker. Good Lord. Turk. Get out of here. Get out of here. That's his name, is Turk. Come on, Turk. You're gonna get shut in here. Come on. Get out. Come on. Come on, children, move. Fatty, seriously? Oh. What the hell is that noise? What was that noise? Oh, there's a bird trapped in there. Oh, I'm so sorry, baby. Come on, look. I'll let you out. Come on, get out. There's a baby cardinal in there. But I don't think it's a baby. There's a baby cardinal in there. Oh, poor baby. I'm not going to touch it, though. Hopefully it'll find its way out. Come on, y'all got to move. Where y'all want to be fed? Go to the dang pen. Boy, y'all don't listen. None of y'all listen. Come on, y'all know where to go? Yeah, that way. Dear Lord, sound like a turtle. What are y'all doing? Go that way. Keep going. Move. God, y'all are so aggravating. Why y'all being like this today? Where's the baby ducks? Some baby ducks, they finna get put in the pot. Come on. Come on, keep going. Dang birds. I hope that cardinal got out of there. I don't like that. I was wondering what that noise was because I ain't never heard that kind of noise before. Move. But yeah, it was a cardinal. I think it was a female because the males are really bright red, but that one did have red on it, so it may have been a juvenile cardinal. And Lord have mercy, is it all get out hot. Let's see if it got out. Yeah, it got out. Okay, good. I don't know what it was doing in here, though. I ain't never had a cardinal in here. I mean, this door was wide open. So maybe I'll just leave both doors wide open. That way that might not happen again. What are you doing? Get out! Come on! Seriously, get out of my shed. Don't you grab at me. Get out. Get out. Don't. Oh, what you gonna do bite me for? You crazy little dang thing. Get out. Go. Quit biting. Girl, I will put you in the gumbo pot. Come here. Stop. Get out of here. That little crazy ass bird. You know, made me bleed. I should go put you in the gumbo pot. Crazy birds. I swear to y'all, I got some crazy birds in here. Crazy. And the door shut. What you gonna do? Move. Crazy. See, my birds act like they own me. Where's the baby ducks? Oh yeah, what, see? They got me a couple of little nice bite marks. What are you doing? Just get in there. But yeah, everybody's here except for the small ducks. Well, they're not baby ducks anymore. They're just small ducks. But Turk's doing good over there. All the babies are doing good. Everybody's healthy. And for some reason, my mama hen just don't want nothing to do with her babies anymore. That's the mama hen over there. The dark colored one. Not the ones that are right. Or your left. Or that one right there. That's mama hen. And she don't want nothing to do with her babies no more. And they still babies. But alright. I gotta go gather eggs. My goodness. Man, she done drew blood on me. Crazy bird. Alright, y'all. You have a good night. God bless. Stay safe. And stay healthy.